Hi, my name is Randy. This is my CS120B project for UCR, and this game is called Bound, and it's from Starcraft. So the objective of this game is you need to dodge the red dots, those are the explosions, and your unit is in green right here that you can move on the keypad with these arrow keys displayed, and you need to get it to the other side. As you can see, it's currently at level 1, and you start with 3 lives, and you gain a life every time you complete a level, and when you complete all levels you win the game. Now there will be blue dots, and those are called walls, which will be in later levels, but as you can see I beat level 1 and my lives incremented, and I'll beat this one really quick. And you can see that there are walls here, I can't move past them, so I need to follow the path that is displayed for me, and I'll die once and you see my lives turn to 4. And I'll complete this level, and I'm currently at level 4 now. Now I will finish playing the game. I died again. And I win. So when you lose, you get a corresponding screen saying you lost. Game over. You can edit existing levels and create new ones. So if I press this edit button down here, I will go to the level screen, and this will show us all the levels that we currently have in our game. We currently have 4 levels, and it will also show us the amount of patterns each level has. So for example, I want to change level 2 because maybe it's too fast, so I select it, and right here it shows you the duration is 200 milliseconds, which means that the explosion, the red dots, will last for 200 milliseconds. The between 250 milliseconds means that it will wait an additional 250 milliseconds while off till the next pattern. So let's say it was too fast for me and I increased the duration and I increased the between, like so, and I can also do that for the next one to keep it consistent. Now if we go back to our level screen, it should appear slower, and it is slower. And to top it off, you can also change up the pattern. So if I select this pattern, for example, I'll have a green cursor, and I can move this cursor around and press anywhere. It will become an explosion. If I press again, it will be a wall, and if I press again, it will be cleared out. So let's just say maybe I want this to be a wall to make it a little bit more complicated, like so. And if I press edit and go all the way back to the level screen, it should show the corresponding changes. Now if I want to delete a level, that is pretty straightforward. I just press delete over here and it's gone. I can also delete this first level and it's completely gone. I can also create new levels by pressing the create button right here, and it will pop up a new created level. It starts off with 1 pattern which you can edit. As you can see, everything is defaulted to 0, so let's just change this to, let's say 200, and the bottom to be 250. And I could create my pattern right here. I can make a smiley face. Like that. And I can maybe make some walls over here so the player can't just go through without dodging any explosions. And that looks pretty good. So if we go back to our level screen, it will show this, and that looks correct. But maybe I want to also add a sad face, so I'll create another pattern with it. So I'll make a sad face right here. And also make sure to change the timing to make it consistent. I forgot what was the time for the last one. It was 200 and 250. Okay. So now we have a working level, and it looks good so far. So let's just go back and play our new game. So this looks pretty complicated. I'm not sure how I would go through this. I died right there, and I lost a life, and I completed that one. This one stayed the same, and it's the sad face and smiley face level that we just made, and we win the game. We only have 3 levels now, so as soon as we finish our last level, we won the game. The project uses 2 AntMega 1284s to communicate to each other through UCR, and the top one controls the LCD and the keypad. The bottom one controls the 8x8 RGB LED matrix with 3 shift registers. This bottom microcontroller also is using EEPROM to store all of the levels. So if we see, we can turn it off and turn back on, and we still have all of our changed levels like so. Thank you for watching.